everybody, my name is Adam, also known as the Swedish car guy. In my channel I do car reviews, car meets and car products. And today I'm sitting on the right side once again, and I'm driving a Skyline R33 GTS with 380 horses, and this car has a 5-speed manual and it's rear-wheel drive, and it's quite fun. So how is this to drive? Yeah, it's actually my first time ever driving this car, and it feels quite good. This car has gone up so much in value the last couple of years. So would you buy this if you have the chance? I would say why not? And this car has 380 horses. And how is this to drive? Yeah, let's go. It's so much fun, and it's actually quite easy to drive this car as well, since it's a 5-speed manual, and I have driven this like 10 minutes. So it accelerates like crazy, like really crazy. So I think this car is a really good value if you have the money to buy this. And I won't say how much the owner of this car paid for that, but it's actually quite good, and the value has gone up really high. So if you could buy this car, would you? And to everyone that is watching, would you either buy a GTS like this, that is rear-wheel drive, or would you choose an GTR if you had the opportunity? Let me know in the comment sections as well, because I'm really curious to want to know what you think about which car do you prefer. And also this car has, I did show it in the beginning of this video, it actually has the Nissan cluster as well, and it has really nice interior as well. And I think this car it's quite good value for what you get.
How is the car?
Really good. Really easy to drive. I'm quite surprised, but it's so easy. Like, I really understand why people love the Skylines. I do love the Skylines as per se, but it's actually quite easy to drive as well. Actually no worries at all. Like, just take it easy. Like, and it's totally fine.
That's nice to hear.
I really like the car. Like, just listen to that. How could you not like that? Like, it's a Skyline, for fuck's sake. So good.
How is the seats then?
I love the seats. Since it's actually genuine R33 GTR seats, they are quite comfy to say the least. And I absolutely love this car. Actually, like, I haven't driven this car before, but it's actually quite easy. Like, I haven't driven on the right side for a while, but it's actually quite easy to do it. Just take it easy, like, also with the clutch. That's all. Just take it easy and no worries at all, actually. Like, I can even drive it like in normal mode, like I'm doing right now.
That's really impressive for the first time driving this car.
Is it?
Yeah.
Do people struggle with it normally?
Yes, you are the first one that doesn't get engine failure.
That's
when
good.
To start. So yeah, it's really impressive.
I really appreciate it as well, actually. But like I told you, the owner, that I will always take it easy with car, since it's not my car at all. I can park it here, I think. How was the sitting, not driving the car for once?
First time for me. So,
Yeah.
it's a bit weird to sit on the right side.
But did you
Left
feel
side.
safe when I was driving it?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
That's good to hear.
But yeah, it was weird. But it works.
That's
I'm used
good.
to sit on your side.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
Never been here.
Yeah, so I want to say a real thank you for even letting me
worries.
driving your car.
It was a pleasure.
I really much appreciate it. You're such a kind person as well. You don't see the person behind the camera right now, but he's really kind. And this is actually our second time ever meeting, but it feels like we know each other since a while back, actually.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it really do.
So if you like this video, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Hopefully we will do more cars like this, and I absolutely love the cars like this, the old school EDM. I'm kind of like an old guy, not really, but you know, 90s kid.
Yeah.
So I love this car. Just put it. Yeah, och nu är den
Off.
Brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die.